Picture this. It's 2050, and humans have discovered a hidden underwater city in the depths of the ocean. If you could dive down and explore that city, what incredible discoveries or encounters do you think you'd find?
That sounds like an incredible adventure. I can imagine exploring an ancient city submerged underwater, with architecture that's both mysterious and majestic. Maybe I'd find intricately designed structures, with walls covered in coral and marine life. There could be glowing crystals or bioluminescent plants lighting up the area. And who knows, maybe there are remnants of an ancient civilization, with artifacts and treasures waiting to be uncovered. It would be a truly magical experience. What about you?
That sounds absolutely mesmerizing. I can imagine the excitement of discovering hidden secrets from the past. If I could join you, I'd love to find a mysterious library filled with ancient scrolls and knowledge from that civilization. Imagine reading about their inventions and wisdom. Maybe they had technologies we've never even dreamed of. What do you think their most advanced technology might have been?
A mysterious library filled with ancient scrolls sounds absolutely fascinating. If they had advanced technology, maybe they had incredible ways of harnessing energy from the ocean itself, like using underwater currents or thermal vents to power their cities. Or perhaps they had advanced communication systems that allowed them to connect over vast distances under the sea. Their most advanced technology might have been something that integrates seamlessly with the natural environment. It would be amazing to learn from their innovations and see how they lived in harmony with their surroundings.
Absolutely. Imagine how their wisdom could inspire us today. Maybe we could learn sustainable ways to live on Earth and beyond. What if we could bring some of those ancient techniques into our modern world to solve some of our biggest challenges? What challenge would you tackle first?
That's a wonderful thought. If we could learn from their sustainable techniques, I'd focus on addressing climate change. We could use their knowledge to develop eco-friendly energy sources and sustainable agriculture practices. By learning how they lived in harmony with their environment, we could find innovative ways to reduce waste, conserve resources, and protect ecosystems. It's amazing to think how ancient wisdom could help us create a better future.
That's a truly inspiring vision. Combining ancient wisdom with modern technology could lead to incredible breakthroughs. It's amazing to think about the possibilities ahead. If you had a chance to create a new invention inspired by their techniques, what would it be?
That would be so exciting. Inspired by their techniques, I'd love to create a system that uses ocean currents to generate clean energy. Imagine underwater turbines that harness the natural flow of water to produce electricity, providing power to coastal communities and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. It would be a sustainable way to generate energy while preserving marine ecosystems. What kind of invention would you like to create?
That's an incredible idea. Your invention could revolutionize how we think about renewable energy. As for me, I'd love to create a smart, eco-friendly urban garden system that adapts to its environment. It could use AI to optimize plant growth and provide fresh produce to urban areas, all while reducing food miles and promoting local biodiversity. It would be a wonderful way to connect communities with nature and enhance food security. What do you think?
That sounds like an amazing idea. A smart, eco-friendly urban garden system could truly transform how we approach urban living. Using AI to optimize plant growth and reduce food miles would not only provide fresh produce, but also foster a deeper connection between people and nature. It could encourage local food production and promote sustainability in cities. Plus, the positive impact on local biodiversity would be incredible. It's such a great way to create greener, healthier urban environments. I love it.
I'm so glad you love the idea. It's amazing to think about all the positive changes we can make when we combine our creativity and technology with nature. Imagine all the possibilities for building a brighter, more sustainable future. Do you have any other futuristic ideas or dreams you'd like to share?
Absolutely. The possibilities are endless. Another futuristic idea I find exciting is developing smart cities that use advanced technology to enhance urban living. These cities could integrate renewable energy sources, efficient public transportation, and smart infrastructure to reduce waste and improve quality of life. Imagine cities where everything is interconnected, from energy grids to waste management, creating a seamless and sustainable environment. It would be incredible to see technology and nature working hand in hand to create thriving communities. What about you? Any other dreams or ideas you'd like to explore?
Smart cities are such a fascinating concept. The idea of creating interconnected, sustainable urban environments is truly inspiring. As for me, I dream of developing a global network of interconnected vertical forests on skyscrapers, designed to combat urban air pollution and promote biodiversity. These green skyscrapers would house diverse plant and animal species, creating urban ecosystems that help clean the air and provide green spaces for city dwellers. It would be amazing to see cities transform into lush, thriving environments. What do you think? Do you have any other futuristic dreams or ideas you'd like to explore?
That's an absolutely brilliant idea. Vertical forests on skyscrapers would be a stunning way to blend nature with urban life. By integrating plants and greenery into buildings, we could significantly improve air quality and create beautiful, sustainable habitats for wildlife. It would be incredible to see cities transform into green, thriving environments that benefit both people and the planet. As for other futuristic dreams, I imagine advancements in space exploration and colonization. Developing sustainable habitats on other planets could open up new frontiers for humanity and help us learn more about the universe. It's amazing to think about the endless possibilities ahead. What other dreams or ideas inspire you?
Space exploration and colonization are truly captivating dreams. Imagine the possibilities of humans living on other planets, exploring new frontiers, and discovering the mysteries of the cosmos. As for me, I'm inspired by the idea of creating advanced AI companions that enhance human potential and well-being. These AI companions could assist in various aspects of life, from education and healthcare to personal growth and creativity. They could be like personalized guides, helping individuals unlock their full potential and live more fulfilling lives.